I'm still working. This is the only merch we got. I'm still working on it because I have a bunch of different designs.
Man, you should look us up. We're Ocean of Precious. Remember that?
T-shirts.
We do T-shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can make anything you want.
Okay.
We're cheap. We're fast.
Nice. Cause I have a bunch of designs.
In the dark or
yeah, see that's
whatever. Yeah, man.
See, my name was Exploring with Nubs, and then I was like, there's so many exploring with on YouTube, so I'm gonna go with something different. I'm like adventures, cause I mean I mainly do paranormal, but we also do abandoned places.
Yeah, we do a lot of that too. Just anything, man. Anything freaky.
And that's why I do YouTube, is to post it for everybody, like, cause people seem to like it.
Yeah.
I mean,
look us up, man. We can make it.
Oh yeah.
I'll look you up and
I can also.
We can make all the swag you want. The beanie hats.
I can also interview y'all on my channel and let y'all tell what y'all do and all that. Cause I mean, I interview people too and do reactions to other people's things. Yeah, it's good to see you, man. Hit me up sometime, buddy.
Yeah, we'll do.
It's cool that we actually got to see each other.
Yeah, we live in Lynchburg now.
Y'all live in Lynchburg? Yeah, I live in Gretna, but
Okay.
Dakota, my people I came with, they live in Lynchburg.
Yeah.
But it's good meeting you, man.
You too, brother. You too.
Yep, y'all just hit me up on Facebook and see you, buddy.
Okay, man, we could do that, and then if you're ever in the Norfolk area, you can come with you.
I would love to go that way.
I mean, Portsmouth has 29 registered ghosts.
Cause I know Williamsburg.
And Williamsburg and Jamestown, but there's a ton of shit. Yeah, the whiskey's haunted. All kinds of mass graves in Norfolk.
See, I've never been out of Virginia doing paranormal, and that's one thing I want to do is get out of Virginia and go everywhere.
Go everywhere, man. Shit, I did from Maine to Key West, from Carolina to California, and everything in between.
I did Key West myself.
We just recently did,
Robert the Dog.
Robert the Dog.
That was
We did
cool.
the Sally House.
That was really cool.
I did information. Yeah, I did a little information about the Sally House. That place is crazy.
Yeah, I got nothing.
You didn't get nothing there?
Not even a nibble. But then again, I went in, man. When I walked in, there was absolutely nobody there. I pushed a button and the door opened. There was nobody there. I walked right into the kitchen, sat down, twisted up a door, went out on the back porch, got behind, and just hung out in the Sally House for a couple of hours.
Yeah, I
Nobody around, nobody doing nothing. I went in there and I gave her, I do Legos. I gave her candy and traded her for some Legos. But no activity.
I'll definitely interview y'all on my channel one time.
I've been, like I said, 600 locations all in Europe, the Tower of London and Stonehenge.
I want to go to Dracula's Castle.
I haven't been to Eastern Europe, where that is, you know. But as far as England, Paris, Rome, you know, places like that. And, you know, Rome has catacombs too.
Yeah.
And the Colosseum, you're more than a million animals were killed in the Colosseum. You're just as likely to see the ghost of a lion as you are a person.
We've seen a bunch of animal spirits.
Yeah,
like
so if you tune to that place has,
nice.
it has a million animals killed in it. So if there's ever a ghost, it's going to be there.
Yeah, Avondale Plantation in Bedford, Dakota, took a picture, and there was like a little cat, under the chair, and there was no cat.
The cat under the chair.
And it was just a perfect picture of the cat.
Yeah, we caught me and my son when he was only 5, and I first started taking him paranormal investigation. We caught the cat at the Cavalier Hotel in Virginia Beach.
I've heard of the cat there.
That made him a believer because there it is, right in your basement.
Yeah, and me and Rob, we saw cat eyes when we went to 666 and all that, and it was just crazy.
But yeah, man, we'll look you up.
Oh yeah, look me up and.
Put you up in a hotel. All that.
Oh, definitely.
Feed you, you know?
Definitely good meeting y'all too. Oh yeah, I love this. Meeting new people and talking to them. Yeah, he's from Chesapeake.
Oh, okay.
Cool, he's got one right here.
Is this considered a ballroom?
Yeah.
If there's anybody in here that would like to communicate
Sorry, Rob.
with us, please do so.
The T&D box is still going up. It's probably picking, it might be picking up with. Yeah, move the room pod back some,
This is the last area for the night. We got the cigarette room, so aka the boiler room. So can we just leave a cigarette here?
Can we take a cigarette?
Ah, yeah, I'm not wasting my cigarette.
Can we have one of your cigarettes?
Oh no, I ain't taking one of theirs.
Room with us tonight.
That's disrespectful. You don't take a dead man's cigarette. Ain't that right, Shane?
Right. Cut your light off.
Oh, is that me? Oh, shoot.
What's the name of the spirit that is in this room with us tonight?
Creepy at the dark.
Ooh, the wind pod. I mean, the...
Hang on. Would you like a cigarette?
No.
He said no.
He's like, no.
Maybe not his brand. Do you wish for me to move the cigarette?
Oh, wow, look at that camera.
Can the cigarette be? Do you still want the cigarette up there?
Awesome, guys. I love it. Did y'all hear that?
Alright. No, what I heard what was running water, but I'm thinking this plumbing is still, this is brand new plumbing, so
I don't know. I just heard something growl over here.
I heard running water.
And that might have been...
Right above the bathroom.
Yeah. We're not going to
You
count
want the
that.
cigarette put back where it was?
You want us to put the cigarette back?
Someone here with us?
Is anyone in here with us right now? Are there any spirits in here?
If it is, feel free to touch either one of the two advices or both.
I'm on my last battery.
Is that you with this one by the music box?
Wow, look at this cigarette. Like,
You like that music?
Are you walking in front of the music box right now?
You know, he said, if you think about it, he said it was one room, I don't know which one it was. It liked to, the spirit liked to listen to music.
No, that was alcoholic.
Oh, the alcohol.
Yeah,
You like Johnny Cash?
she likes to listen to Johnny Cash. Was that one of you? Was that me?
I heard that.
Sound like a growl.
Uh-huh. Came from behind Dakota. You heard that too, though, Shane, right?
Is that you that made the ground?
It came from over here.
It sounded like a growl.
Think you can sleep out here? Yeah, I think I can handle that.
Oh, yeah, just give me a sleeping bag and a pillow. I'm good.
You slept down here?
Yeah, we just got a growl in the boiler room.
Oh, really?
We heard, while y'all were in there talking, we heard like a little kid out here.
Yeah, you could hear the
It's like they were answering to you or something, but they were out here doing it.
Hmm.
Sounded like it was right over there, a little bit over here. Sounded like a little girl or a little kid.
These little flashlights that they have at the gift shop are perfect. I'm back in the bowling alley, guys. That's cool. Do y'all know the biggest YouTuber that's ever been here?
The biggest what?
YouTuber? Or like TV star or anything?
What are they called?
Oh, Mindseed's been here?
Nine Seeds was here last.
That's pretty awesome. They're Mindseed TV, they're very aggressive the way they talk to spirits sometimes, and
Are they worse than David Fisher?
no, they're nowhere near as bad as Zach Baggins ever was. Zach Baggins is one of the worst human beings in the world.
Is he?
I just don't trust him. Once he became big and famous, he sold his soul and just hadn't done really too much. See, if
He leaves a link.
yeah, and everywhere he goes, there's always a portal to hell following him and all that, and it's like, ugh. Yeah, and it's like red day.
I mean, I'm lucky to get possessed once in a while.
I've only seen two. Well,
Well, my wife gets possessed once in a while.
I've seen two possessions, and it's really crazy because the way I see it, one of the guys straight up fell to his knees. His eyes went in the back of his head, and it was like pure white. No pupil or nothing, pure white. And he just had the blank stare and would not look anywhere else. Like, it was the most craziest, scariest thing I've ever seen. Because before that, I always wanted to say, hey, I want to get possessed and have an exorcism done. No, I don't. After watching that, I'm good.
You know, what was that one on the camera where the guy, I heard his buddy, he flipped out and tapped his friend and shit. You know, and his friend was trying to like, man, stop, go away. And the dude was just like,
Well, that's pretty cool that Mindseed was here.
But the thing is like, can you imagine that? Even
Destination Fear, I like them.
temporary possessed.
Oh, really? Okay.
The Tennessee Rain Chaser?
Yeah, they,
Yeah.
I like them. They're pretty cool.
Yeah, we've hung out with them a few times.
Oh, really? That's...
yeah, we had him, Brian Cano.
See, I'm not that big of a YouTuber. I just have 1,000 subscribers. Like, nothing big.
Well, you know, you gotta be big, it's like,
Yeah.
I've been doing this since '91.
Oh, yeah, that's the main reason I do it.
Most of them people were little kids when I started doing this shit, you know?
We didn't know Mindseed, they gave him a name, and we asked him their information, it was like Mindseed, I just wrote it down, and paid attention to it that night. Had to pull it up, saw they had like 1 million followers.
Oh, yeah.
Oh crap.
Yeah, Mindseed has...
Where they been, what they do, and so forth, but
Yeah, Mindseed was here not too long ago. Mindseed TV was here not too long ago. He was just telling me about Mindseed.
We called it.
Oh, we're ready?
Yeah.
We're leaving? Alright, guys. I'm out. This is the last area. This is the bowling alley. Don't forget to subscribe to Dakota. And I have to give this star 10. This place had 10 out of 10. Like, it's just that amazing. But Nubs is out, and I'll catch you on the flip side.